about cow. Welcome back, bachon. So, today we are going to talk about cow. So, cow give us milk. How many drink cow milk? Very good. It has 4 legs and a long tail. Yes? Yes. What does cow eat? It eat grass, hay, and sometimes carrot. And how do they talk to each other? What do cows say? What is the sound of cow? Moo, moo. Yes. And what is the color of cow? Sometimes it is black, it's white, it's brown, and it can be spotted also. Cow is a farm animal. And what is the baby cow called? It is known as calf. What do we get from cow's milk? We get milk, cheese, butter. Okay. And some cows have horns and some don't have. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye.